There he is, the red-winged blackbird. He's got a little braver here lately. He comes up to the bird feeder now. He's the one that makes that sound every few minutes, just one long sound. You can hear him no matter where he is. Yep, he don't hang around too long. He doesn't hang around too long. Here comes the she's over there behind a tree. Cardinal. Oh, look out front here. The towhee. There's a towhee. Looks like a robin except has white on it. Towhee's gotten much braver lately. They're all getting used to me, I think. Boy, I tell you, all the birds are singing this morning. They're very happy because of the weather. This is the last day of March. Monday, 31st of March, 2014, Statesboro, Georgia. Look at that towhee go at it, man. Look at that towhee go at it. Pretty bird, isn't it? I hear that little sound in the background. I don't know what that is. Oh, here comes a cardinal over here. Look, see? I got all the birds out here. And they're getting friendly all the time.